Hello everyone. Actually, welcome to Knowledge and Marketing Podcast. So I feel like it's very important for us to actually shoot this episode for you guys because I realize that a lot of people sometimes they struggle a lot when it comes to trading crypto. So we thought that it's best for us to actually come with another way for you to generate more money when it comes to crypto. It's actually by buying shares in crypto companies. So let's just dive straight into those companies so that you can actually be more informed. So you can start investing in companies and make more money with dividends. So number one, companies for you to actually consider is MicroStrategy, a company. This is a business intelligence firm that actually holds a massive amount of Bitcoin, which is approximately $200,000 Bitcoin in a treasury a treasury reserve. Okay. Now number two, we have Tesla. We are not with Tesla. We are not purely. It's not actually a purely crypto company, but Tesla holds Bitcoin. It holds Bitcoin and it also uses Bitcoin for payment. So if you want to buy things with Tesla, you're allowed to also buy crypto. And then another one is the block, which is very, very important. Um, when it comes to the block, it's a formerly Square tech company that holds Bitcoin and operates for cash apps and which allows Bitcoin trading. So if you maybe find that sometimes you fail to acknowledge, let's say, time compression in your trading, so you don't have a lot of time to trade, it's good for you to buy shares so you can actually get dividends in the long run. So this companies are an option for you to actually invest. Another one we have, it's actually Coinbase. Coinbase, it's good, especially for starters who want to start to trade crypto. Coinbase is the best because you can start investing from actually $5. Yes, you can actually adjust your US dollars to actually start trading. So it's a leading cryptocurrency exchange that actually went public in 2021. I'm sure that we all know. Other ones is Marathon Digital and Rio Blockchain, and also Clean Spark. So these companies are actually Bitcoin mining companies. So if you love mining, so it's good for you to actually consider this ones because um, you can start earning a lot of money. Okay, so number two, what we're going to focus on is Ethereum and blockchain tech companies. So these companies are involved in Ethereum smart contracts and blockchain infrastructures. So the first one we have is Ethereum Trust. It's a trust that holds Ethereum, obviously, yes, not stock, but a way to gain exposure. So we have Consensus. It's a private, but it's private, but it's actually backed up by public companies like JP Morgan, and also Microsoft. Okay, a major Ethereum, a major Ethereum development studio. Yes. So we also have Nvidia and Amin. So these are semiconductor companies that benefits from crypto. So mining demand through less so post Ethereum and etc. So for Ethereum, you should actually try those. You should try Nvidia. You should try Consensus. So you try those. Try buying shares in those, and you will start to be more productive. Okay. And then we have number three. Number three that we have it's crypto banking and financial services. Um, if maybe you are into finance a lot, you into finance, so I would advise you to try this companies, which are actually good. You can invest in those companies and make a long dividends in the long run. Remember that the wealthy they are actually long term, and then the poor are actually short term. They just want to see plus results. So the first one is Silvergate Capital, a bank that provides services to crypto firms now defunct, yeah, now defunct, but similar companies may emerge. So remember, as Warren Buffett always say that um, real investors, they always invest not on speculation, but we invest on facts. So it's good for you to go through all these companies and just try to check, to check their productivity for those past years, and just see the forecast and how they're actually progressing. So it's much easier for you to, you know, um, get the whole scenario of what's happening in those companies, so that before you can start investing. Yes. So we have another one is Signature Bank. It's previously a crypto-friendly bank, but it's actually shut down in 2023. But other banks may take this place. Okay. Another one is PayPal. You can invest in PayPal and also Robinhood. Uh, Both allow users to buy and sell. So you can try the services though. You can invest in the services, and you can also use the services to, you know, to start earning a lot in crypto. Number four, what we have is blockchain and Web3 companies. Um, we have Solana Labs. So okay, we have Solana Labs. Solana is actually a private. It's private, but Solana is traded on exchange. Okay, it's a high-speed blockchain. So Solana is actually a high-speed blockchain. We also have Chainlink. Chainlink is a decentralized. It's priceable. It's very priceable. It's an Oracle network, so it's available as a token, not as stock. So you can buy a lot of tokens. You can buy a lot of Chainlink tokens, and then you can start getting a lot of money. It's crypto, so it's gonna gain value. What we need to check with, that's what I'm saying, that we are investing based on facts. We are not actually investing based on speculations. Okay, speculations are not actually just probabilities. Uh, another one we have is the IBM and Oracle. So in this sense, this is an enterprise blockchain solution. Okay, so so now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the specific types of websites that you or platforms where you can start buying your shares. It's better for you to buy shares to earn dividends in the long run than to trade every day, knowing that you don't have time to analyze the performance of every cryptocurrency that you try to invest in. Okay, so you can buy shares of these companies through traditional stock brokers. Like uh, the first broker you can use is Robinhood. Okay, the second one is Fidelity, Charles Schwab's, eToro, and Interactive Brokers. So these ones are more of international. I think they are more. You can if you're in another country, you can invest, but remember there's also tax. It's like they invented the tax charges and stuff. So yeah, and we also have other alternative EFTs. If you might find EFTs interesting, we have the blockchain, we have the Bitcoin EFT, the IB is the IBIT, the FBTC, ARKB. Those ones are approved in 2024. This track prices. It actually track prices, and we also have the Bitcoin mining EFTs. Also, we have investing in mining companies. Obviously, we have the blockchain. Yeah. So exactly. So this is all that we can actually offer you for today. So if you can actually go through everything that we are trying to show you and actually expose to you, I'm telling you, my friend, you will start to make tons and tons of money because you allow the company to do the whole work for you. You don't have to worry about placing orders. You don't have to worry about closing your positions. What you need to do is you just